Welcome back. We're doing an after dark clean with me and decorate. We picked up some great things at Target in our last video, and we're going to use those today when we're done cleaning. We're going to have a nice little sprucing up of my kitchen and dining room.
And we're doing it in style.
Hey, if you like these after dark clean with me's, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you come along with us.
That's right. So let's get to it.
Whoop, whoop.
Gals in God's grace.
All right, so here we are in my kitchen. We've got a really good mess going on. I've got some old bananas, dishes that need to be done, dishes that need to be put away. Trish and I went shopping, so we've got stuff all over the table. And this area is quite a mess. Over here, I've got stuff all over the floor. So, you ready, Trish?
Hi, yes. Hey, Amber, guess what? I got my rain boots on. You know why?
Why?
Just in case when we're in cleaning your kitchen, there's a puddle of anything, which I am notorious for creating disasters. I'll be prepared.
Okay, what's going to happen to my floors?
I'm not quite sure, but I'm going to be prepared just in case.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go.
Get at it.
It's 3 a.m. You got me waiting for your love. I'm at the corner of the club. It's pouring down, but I won't. No, I won't budge. I'll call your bluff. You think you're tough, yeah. So go ahead, come and put me off. Bring all your friends so they can watch. You're drunk dialing up my phone, so here I am at 3 a.m. You got me looking crazy, baby. These wicked little games you play, yeah. So step up to the plate, don't wait. It's 3 a.m., so here I am. Oh, you're crazy, crazy. You're bullseye out of your mind. You're crazy, crazy in every way I can find. You're crazy, crazy. The more I think of it, I might be crazy too. Crazy for wanting you, no. I'm just about done. I guess we'll talk when morning comes. Just chillin', keep it cool for us, yeah. Hey, that's a cue for entry. I know those eyes. Let's act surprised, yeah. You got me looking crazy, baby. These wicked little games you play, yeah. So step up to the plate, don't wait. It's 3 a.m., so here I am. Oh, you're crazy, crazy. You're bullseye out of your mind. You're crazy, crazy in every way I can find. You're crazy, crazy. The more I think of it, I might be crazy too. Crazy for wanting you, no. It's 9 a.m. Last night we down at the club, but yet you're here in my arms. They're calling us crazy. I know that it's crazy, not logical, against all odds. I call it love. I call it love. You got me looking crazy.
It really wasn't that bad. It just needed like a good basic clean. But I can tell you one thing about Amber, and I'm sure you guys have figured this out by now. She doesn't do anything half ASS. I'm not going to say the word. She's pretty thorough.
The more I think of it, I might be crazy too. Crazy for wanting you, no.
Amber, why do you love the lilac smell so much?
It smells like spring.
Are you ready for
done
spring?
with winter.
We have got a lot of snow here, and we are really excited about spring coming. According to the groundhog, we will have an early spring, so we'll see.
Really?
Uh-huh.
And it's like the coldest winter I can remember in a long time.
I know. You see her arm muscles too. She'd kill me if she saw that I zoomed in on them.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's get and see what she's doing in here.
Okay, I'm gonna wash this.
Beautiful. Her whole house smells of lilac right now. It smells so good. So we cleaned the white cabinets with it, and then we're going to clean the counters and the microwave, and it just, oh, it smells really good.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. Touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you.
When I clean the stainless steel appliances, I first start with an all-purpose cleaner. In this case, I used the Mrs. Meyer's lilac scent and a wet wash rag, and I clean off all the smudges and fingerprints. The stainless steel cleaner doesn't really take care of that problem, so I do that first. Then I go over everything with a paper towel just to dry it off. And lastly, I use the stainless steel cleaner to shine it up. It's a few extra steps, but I don't do this every day. This is just something that I do when I have a deep clean. When you spray the stainless steel cleaner, it does kind of get all over the place, even with my best efforts to avoid it, but thank goodness Trish is wearing her boots. It's an oil-based cleaner anyway, so it's probably good for the floors too.
You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know.
Okay, so see all these stains in my sink? This is actually one time when I do use bleach, because this will get all those stains out. And I know my sink is really worn. We've already talked about that. But this is going to get the stains out. So I just fill it up with hot water. Add some bleach. And I'm going to let this fill up and soak for, I don't know, while we finish up the dining room, and then it'll be all clean. It'll look nice and white.
I can't wait to see it, Amber.
Okay.
Hey, do you remember 20-something years ago? Those cold nights in December, and the sound of the falling snow, the fireplace warming us, the VHS movie box, your old broke down touring bus, and not a single cloud in the sky.
You know what this is? So I keep this in my windowsill.
What?
One summer when I was cleaning out weeds in my side yard, I found this in the dirt, and I found this in the dirt. We've lived here for 18 years. And these are from my son when he was a little boy.
Oh.
So this is from his little Tykes card. And this is just a little card he had. And I found them out in the dirt when I was pulling weeds.
Super.
So I keep them on the windowsill because I used to do dishes and watch him play outside. So that's why they're there.
I was wondering. That's really neat that you
were wondering?
I was wondering, yeah.
It just reminds me of when he was little. I'm just nostalgic that way.
I think it's awesome.
So I look at that, and then I look outside and remember my little boy when he was playing in his little Tykes. You know those cars with the yellow top?
My oldest son, well, actually both my boys had that, Joe and Eddie.
So that's one nice thing about living in a house and staying for so long. Like we brought him home from the hospital when he was a baby here, and now he's going to be 18 this year.
Oh my goodness.
So.
Oh my goodness.
If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now. If I could play back my life, I wouldn't think twice. A pair of jeans and a dusty shirt. We didn't have a dime. No, you and me were poor and stirred. All we had was time. All we had was time. Every bad thing and every good, I wouldn't change it if I could. 'Cause it all led us up to this. Every moment, every kiss. If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now. If I could play back, rewind, I wouldn't think twice. A pair of jeans and a dusty shirt. We didn't have a dime. No, you and me were poor and stirred, and all we had was time.
Still scratched up, but stains all gone.
There comes a time when I won't belong on these streets, in these crowds, in this room, in your eyes, and you no longer know whether to stay or to go. Take me or leave me, rusty and bleeding, a robot on the floor. Well, hours will be hours. I'll slip right through your hand. Doesn't matter what you wish for, doesn't matter how intense. And all those shiny people you wanted to impress, well, they're all watching now, so walk out the door. I'm not gonna last, I'll tell you now. Whatever I am, just leave it now. I'm not gonna try to lie, 'cause here I am now. You said be careful what you're saying. We are the ones to talk, and never should have gone this far. I should have told you from the start. No point in playing along or reach for their respect. Can't you see there's nothing left to protect? I'm not gonna last, I'll tell you now. Whatever I am, just leave it now. I'm not gonna try to lie, 'cause here I am now. You said be careful what you're saying. We are the ones to talk, and never should have gone this far. I should have told you from the start.
I got this really nice table runner. It's Hearth and Hand
So pretty.
from Target, and I'm going to put it on the table.
thought I would be fine, but babe, I ain't.
Here it is. I am in love with the way it turned out. Okay, so this runner is from Hearth and Hand, a Target. The eucalyptus is also Hearth and Hand. And this, like, bottle cap tray. These are old. I've just had these for a long time. My cat is playing with the bag. And then we just picked up some flowers from Trader Joe's, some eucalyptus, like a different kind of eucalyptus, huh? And then these purple flowers.
So pretty, Amber.
For a little touch of color. I love Trader Joe's because it was $6.
Oh my gosh.
And
Such a good
then
deal.
We got this little basket for lemons.
Oh.
Again, it's Hearth and Hand. And then Trish got me this beautiful banner with pictures from our business together. And then, of course, the blessed sign because we're so blessed to have our friendship and just in general. We're just so blessed. God has really blessed us. And then, the cleaning supplies, which did not come from Grove this time. It came from Target. But it smells amazing in here right now, right, Trish? Mm-hmm. It smells like lilac. And then we just kind of shifted some stuff around, and we are about to eat because it is 10 o'clock at night. Show the time, Trish.
All right.
10 o'clock.
And what are we eating?
This was an after dark clean with me. It is definitely after dark. We have not had dinner yet. We have been making this video for you guys. We really hope you enjoy it. And we are going to have there's some chicken in there. We're going to make some chicken tacos.
I miss you, baby. You got me spinning like a helicopter blade. I'm stuck here in your shade. 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 Love should be simplified. Let's put the pride aside. Can someone turn on the light? Love should be simplified. Let's put the pride aside.